Good evening, everybody, and welcome to We Inspire, an interview segment where we connect with entrepreneurs and talk about how they started their own business and what keeps them inspired and motivated to stay in the game. The subject of today's interview is Now You Can Protect Your Baby and Save the Environment. And joining us today is Ms. Anuradha Rao, the founder of Bumpada, a Bangalore based business that produces reusable and eco friendly organic cotton diapers. She's going to talk about how her concern for her children and the environment prompted her to start her own business, and how she balances her life as an entrepreneur, a wife, and a mother of two children. Welcome, Anuradha.
Thank you so much. Thank you, Ronoy.
All right. So it's a pleasure having you here, and we are really excited to have this interview because considering what we discussed about your product and about your services. So let's get started. And can you talk about a little bit about your journey today?
Yeah, sure, absolutely. So we make, as Ronoy mentioned, we make reusable and eco-friendly cloth diapers for babies. So this is not your run-of-the-mill idea of creating something new. Uh, I started Bumpadum about 4 years ago, and my daughter was about just 1 year old then. And for the first year of her life, I was using disposable diapers for her. Disposable diapers are the regular diapers that you get. You use them, you remove them, and you toss them into the garbage. So every day we were throwing out about 8 to 10 diapers. So for those of you who've not had this experience, 8 to 10 diapers is almost like one full bucket of diapers that was going out of our home every single day.
Oh, okay.
So and all these diapers, they are not biodegradable. They go sit in a landfill somewhere where they don't decompose for more than 500 years. So every single disposable diaper that's ever been made and used is sitting in a landfill somewhere on planet Earth. And if you imagine the number of babies, you can imagine how much of diapers are sitting in landfills, right?
That's a
So,
lot of diapers. Yeah.
right, exactly.
Yeah.
And this started kind of troubling me a lot because I was just sending out the diapers for one baby. Then you multiply that by the number of babies that are born in Bangalore on every single day. You can
Sure.
imagine the number of diapers going out of Bangalore on every single day together to
Yeah.
some landfill area. So this
Yeah.
started troubling me a lot. So while this was one aspect, the other aspect that I wanted in a diaper was that I wanted it to be suitable to modern lifestyles. So I
Sure.
wanted it to be waterproof. I wanted it to keep the baby skin dry. So traditionally, Indians have always used, cloth langots
Hmm.
for the babies.
Okay.
But cloth langots don't keep the baby skin dry, so the baby wakes up because of wetness.
Yeah.
And they also are not waterproof, so everything around becomes wet. You need to use an extra dry sheet. If you're carrying the baby, your clothes become wet. So they're not
Okay.
kind of that suitable to modern lifestyles. So I was looking for some solution that brings together, all of these things that I wanted in a diaper. And to my surprise, I really found that there was no other option available in India as such. That would be affordable, that we can use. So that is when I decided to start Bumpadum and to actually get into the manufacturing of these diapers myself.
Wow. I mean, that's really remarkable because you touched upon a couple of points. Obviously, keeping the baby clean and healthy, that's a concern for every parent. But
Right.
apart from that, there is an ecological issue that we are all facing now, and you're addressing that also by producing these products. So I have to say now it's one thing to think about all of this, like you said 4 years ago. So how did you set it up, the business, and did you face any challenges? I'm sure you did. That's not the right question. What were the challenges you faced?
Yeah, absolutely. So, first thing to note is I have absolutely zero background in manufacturing or garments, or
Okay.
for that matter, running a company. So, I've only worked in large MNCs in my previous life. And
Okay.
to suddenly kind of get into that, to figure out, okay, how am I going to like start production? What are the kind of capital that I required for it? What is the kind of machinery I require for it? So all this was like a huge learning aspect. This was all in terms of the actual functioning of it. How do I do it? The other
Right.
part was also kind of figuring out, how do I register a company? Like, how do we start that? Like,
Yeah.
and all those kind of issues as well, right? So I think
Yeah.
kind of just understanding, taking a step back and taking it one step at a time. Like, first was, okay, register the company. Second was, okay, figure out what can be done, like where can I source the fabrics, how do I hire my tailors, what kind of machine. So all that, it was taken on like a step by step basis, and that's how we kind of proceeded.
So now that we've covered the challenges, can you talk about your products and services, especially considering the differences that you explained between the regular set of diapers, the cloth diapers, and the Langote diapers that we used long time ago?
Sure, absolutely. So the specialty of cloth diapers is that they bring the advantages of both the langots and disposable diapers together, but they don't bring their disadvantages. So
Okay.
the disadvantage of langots is that they make the baby feel wet, so they don't
Mm.
keep the baby dry. Right? Once the baby pees, the baby is going to wake up in the night saying, I'm wet, change me."
Okay.
And the second, and the second thing is that langots are not waterproof.
Okay.
So, if you're keeping the baby on the bed, you have to use a quick dry sheet. If somebody's carrying the baby, then their clothes will get wet because the langote is not meant to be waterproof. It's made of plain cloth. So
Right.
that is one. Those are the two big disadvantages of langotes. The disadvantages of disposable diapers is that they go sit in a landfill. Plus, they are made using chemicals.
Okay.
So to counter all of this, our cloth diapers don't have any of these disadvantages. They have only the advantages. So first
Right.
thing is they're made from cloth. So there are no chemicals sitting next to the baby's skin. So you can be sure that they are absolutely safe. There are going to be no rashes. It's going to be absolutely comfortable for the baby. Second of
Yeah.
all, they keep the baby's skin dry. So we use a special fabric which is woven with this yarn, which is meant to keep the baby's skin dry. So this fabric is such that if you pour water on it, give it
Mm.
about 6 to 7 seconds for it to absorb completely. After that, if you touch it, it'll be completely dry. So the baby is
Oh.
not feeling wet at all. The baby is absolutely comfortable.
Mm.
Thirdly, there is waterproofing added to the cloth diaper so that your furniture, your bed, the baby's clothes don't all get wet. So
Mm.
the outermost layer of our cloth diaper has this like very fine, very thin layer of lamination, which helps to keep it waterproof. So that way you're getting all the advantages of disposable diapers, right? And at
Yes.
the end, after use, you basically wash it. We recommend we give like detailed help in kind of how you need to wash the diapers. It's not rocket science. It's very simple. There are just certain steps that you need to follow. So once they're washed like this, you can reuse them. It's perfectly hygienic. There's
Mm.
absolutely no problem. Again, your baby is not going to face any rashes. There's going to be no infection or any such thing. You can continue to reuse the diapers, not just for like one baby. If you have another child and you maintain the diapers well, you can use it for the second child as well.
I
and
see.
and if once you're done with diapering your children, like there are no more children to be cloth diapered, you can use like the absorbent part is detachable from the diaper, so you can
Mm.
use it as any kind of cloth wipe that you may need around the house. So then the goal of being biodegradable and reusable is taken to like the maximum extent with these diapers.
Wow, that's amazing. So I have to ask, before starting Bumper, what were you doing? Yeah.
like I said, I have no background in manufacturing or garments. I was, in fact, I've done my MBA from Yale University in the US, and after that, I was working with IBM New York for just over around 2.5 years.
I
And
see.
after my daughter was born, we moved to India, and I was working remotely with my team. But that
Okay.
is when I kind of came across this problem, and I feel like all new parents go through this journey where they start as soon as they have a baby in their hands. Not only do they see what is good for the baby, but they also try to think about things, the impact of their choices. At least for me, it was that way. I started
Uh,
thinking about the impact of every choice I was making. Like, what kind of a world is this going to leave behind for my child to live in? Because it becomes a very real, prospect, right? Yes, you hear about if you use a lot of plastic, your future generations will not have a clean earth to live in. But when you have a child, you realize that okay, it's my child who's going to live in that horrible world. So let me
uh,
do something to create a better world for her when she grows up. So I started thinking about that, with that lens. And since I figured that I do have a proper solution for this, it's not that difficult to come up with this product and to market it. I just decided that I would give it a shot.
okay. So I have to say the best solutions come from place of love, and I can see that, based on everything that you've shared here. So moving
Thank you.
forward, sure, sure. So moving forward, it's since you're managing your business now, at the same time you have two children, your family, how do you manage it all?
So I think I have a very supportive husband. I
Okay.
think if you want to do something, like, it's not easy to have two children and run an entire business. I'm not
Yeah.
saying it's very difficult, but it's just that you have to be very kind of systematic in the way you approach it. I think my husband is an extremely supportive partner, and we are very systematic in the way we approach parenting in general. So everything is kind of split down the middle. It's 50-50. Like, he takes care of half, I take care of half. So there is no undue, pressure on any one person as far
Okay.
as parenting goes. So we split everything. And second of all, that I'd like to mention is that there's this very clear demarcation of what any specific time is for. So work timings from like 9 to 5:30 or 9 to 6 is
Hmm.
specifically for work. And evening times from 6 till night, whenever, is specifically for family. So as long as you maintain that kind of demarcation, and there is no mix and match here. So there is no way
Okay.
any work is going to happen after 6. So my children are also very clear about when they have access to me, when I'm going to be doing things with them, and when
Hmm.
is it that they can't be with me. They are very clear. So it helps to manage expectations, and they're also set in their routine when I'm not around. And to add to that, I think the final fact is that we have very, very stable support to look after the children in my and my husband's absence. As I mean, both of us work during the daytime, so we have some very, very able help who comes in and looks after my children during that time. But I mean, it's different for each person, right? For some people, they have their parents or parents-in-law to step in for this role, and for us, we have someone else who comes in and looks after the children. So this kind of helps all of us maintain sanity at home.
Okay, thank you for sharing that, because I'm sure there are a lot of people out there, at least, for new parents and for couples out there, that's some solid advice. So thank you for sharing that. Okay, as I understand it, that you've taken some services through Vakil Search. Can you take us through those services and what is the process that you went through?
Yeah, absolutely. We've taken quite a few services actually from Vakil Search. It's almost like a relationship. Whenever we need any like compliance or other legal kind of services, I turn to Vakil Search first. So we started with the registration of the company with you guys. So like I was saying earlier, right, like the challenges that you face. So I think
Yeah.
my first step was, okay, let me see how to figure out how to establish a company first. And for that, I took the registration company, private limited company registration services from you guys.
Hmm.
And we kind of chose private limited because we wanted to have the option of fundraising in the future. Uh,
Hmm.
so we just decided that that's the path we're going to take, and we decided to go with private limited. But beyond that, we've also done a few trademark registration with you guys. So our products fall under sanitary products, which fall under class 5. So we have a few class 5 trademark registrations as well, trademark, wordmark registrations, all done through Vakil Search. And I think one of the best things about going with Vakil Search is that once you initiate the conversation, Vakil Search is so good at keeping in touch, following up, and executing all of the stuff that you just know that once you start the conversation, there's nothing else you need to worry about. You just keep giving the documents that they're asking for, and they'll take care of everything else. So that way,
Yeah.
it's been actually like a great experience working with you guys, and I do actually recommend you guys to everyone else.
Thank you. Thank you for that feedback and the recommendation. Okay. So, what are your future aspirations as we move forward?
Well, as you know, India has like millions of babies being born every year, and our aspiration is to take cloth diapers to all of them, because the true impact of moving to cloth diapers is seen when it is done in a large scale. And that is when we're going to realize, all those disposable diapers are going to be moved away from landfills. All those babies are going to not have rashes. All those babies are going to have a comfortable, first 2-3 years of their life. So that's the goal, is to touch as many parents and children as we can, so that they truly have a better future to look forward to.
Well, thank you for that, Anuradha, and thank you for your time. It's been a pleasure interacting with you. All the best for Bumpadam from all of us here at Vakil Search.
Thank you so much, and it's been a complete pleasure chatting with you as well, Renoy.
Sure. Okay, then. Bye bye.
All right, thank you. Bye bye.